Hi, this is Litre from Taillight Plus. Today with a 2015 Kia Sorento, stock number 6106. It's ran from 04-2013 to 02-2016. It has a G4MB 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4MB 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear boot lid, no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right rear door, one dent. Right front 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,